Is AI taking your job too? Are you thinking about it all the time? Do you find yourself just obsessing about it, worrying about how much AI is going to shrink your job? Or are you worried about it making your job so that it's next to impossible to do? If AI is taking jobs that I would normally do, what other company is going to even need someone with my skills? I'm going to take my power back, control over my livelihood, my finances, my future, my career. And I'm here to say that you can too. Are you a professional who feels aged out? Are you someone like me who's watching AI automate their job? Are you the one in the office who's always been the high performer and suddenly you feel like you don't even know if you're the future anymore? If you're feeling career anxiety right now, you are definitely not alone. This isn't a panic video. This is a pivot video. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie and this is Middle Life Adventures. You know, there once was a time when you picked a career, you applied yourself, you climbed the ladder. At 25, you were told, you know, work hard, apply yourself, be loyal, build yourself a resume and plenty of great references. But now you're sitting there, you're looking in the mirror and you realize you've done all those things and you've built yourself a life and a career that's suddenly completely out of control. Because when your career shakes, so does your identity. You spend so much of your day and your week in your job and your career, and that's the first thing when people ask you, hey, what do you do? It's part of your identity. And you're not crazy to think, well, who am I apart from my job? If I no longer have my job, who exactly am I? And you know, if you're like me, you go to work day in and day out and you pretend to feel confident and you pretend to be upbeat and positive, but quietly, you're completely terrified. Do I have a day, a week, 3 months, 9 months? A year seems way far in the distance. It almost feels like you're going through grief for something you haven't hardly even lost yet, but you know that loss is coming. And when that loss comes, you're not just losing income security, you're losing a piece of yourself. Change is no longer an option, it's a must. To myself, maybe this version of myself, maybe it's complete. Maybe it's time to build something new. Try and do. Why YouTube? 3 reasons. Number 1, ownership. I own me on the platform. I retain control. There's no HR, there's no memos, there's no constant restructuring, reorganizing. If it grows, if it fades, you know what? That's on me, and I'm okay with that. But it's also incredibly powerful. Having control, I can make the decisions, I can apply myself every bit as hard as I do at work, and I fully will reap the benefits from doing that because you know what? I'm not going to stop. I'm going to make sure that I keep going until this is a success, and you can too. Relevance on YouTube, thankfully, it's not age-based. Finally, we have something we can say that about again. YouTube awards authenticity, perspective, clarity, life experience. Midlife here, it's not a liability, it's actually an asset. There are millions of people out there searching right now on YouTube, how do I start over in midlife? How do I start over in middle age? People looking to figure out how to get help from people in the trades, searching things up. And you know what? It could be you that provides that help, that guidance, that video. You could be that one, inspiring them, making the videos. It's shifting towards personal brands in the digital age. Skills over trades, community, finally, over corporations. I know there's a voice in your head because it's been in my head too, saying it's too late, way past time for me to start over. You're not tech savvy, you'll embarrass yourself. What'll your friends say? You're not interesting, you're too old. What'll you talk about, for heaven's sake? That voice isn't wisdom. It's fear, protecting comfort. But let me ask you something. How long is your comfort going to stay comfort if you wait until your job rides straight into the ground and then you have nothing? No cushion. You have to start from scratch anyways, so why not start now while you still have a job? Sure, there is risk in pivoting, but there's also risk in doing nothing and staying still. We know what's coming. Your life experience will serve you so well. It's taught you resilience, pattern recognition, self-awareness. It's taught you to give it up on the ego games. And it's given you tons of real stories to share with the world. When you're 25, you've got energy. When you're 50, you've got depth. Depth wins long term. You don't need to be viral. You need to be valuable. The good news about value is that it compounds. This isn't just about starting a channel. It's about reclaiming agency. When your job defines you, you're vulnerable. When you build something independent of your employer, you diversify your identity. That changes how you walk into work. And I know for sure because that's been my experience. My days feel lighter. The trials and tribulations of every shift don't bother me anymore because I know, hey, I got a fallback plan, and that's worth everything to me. It changes how I sleep, changes how I negotiate my day, because I'm not trapped. I'm building myself options, a safety net, a fallback plan I haven't felt for a long time. If you're watching this and thinking, okay, so how? Pick a problem, pick a skill that you understand deeply. Are you someone that works with their hands? Do you provide guidance or counseling? Are you a great friend? Do you have great life coaching skills to offer? Do you have a really fun hobby that you love to do and share? Go out and get some daylight, film it on your phone, publish it before you think twice, just publish it. Definitely publish before you feel ready. And just commit to improving every week. Put out one video every week and just improve something. Improve one thing every week. No fancy gear, no perfection, no more waiting. Momentum beats perfection. My favorite mantra in YouTube is progress over perfection. And I know you're thinking, what if it fails? Okay, so what if it fails? Then I will have learned video production, improved my communication skills, built technical skills, developed confidence, and expanded my network. Those skills transfer anywhere. Trying is not failure. Staying frozen is. Take the control of your life, your livelihood, your identity. Take it back today. You're not obsolete. You're experienced. You're not behind. You're evolving. Losing your job in the time of AI does not need to cause you to slowly fade into irrelevance. Don't let it. Turn it into a strategic reinvention, your pivot. And if you're feeling the ground shift underneath you, don't panic. Build. Start small. Start messy. But start. Because the worst thing that can happen, it's not failure, it's shrinking. If this resonated with you today, drop in the comments and comment, I'm not done. And let's start this next chapter. Let's all make this pivot together. You're not done, and neither am I. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.